What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I am here to do an eye look for you guys using the ABH NORVINA collection number 4. This was a gift from my beautiful friend Lisa. She knows me just so well. Look at the beautifulness. Look at the beautifulness. So last night I did a little swatch party and I got some shades in mind for what I'm going for. So I am going to make a beautiful eye look with this palette, a beautiful pinky eye look. I'm sorry, I'm always going to love it. I'm always going to think it's the prettiest. I'm always going to want to put pink on my eyes. Just the way it is. So if you would like to see what I end up with, then please keep watching. Welcome to my face.
I need my rest every day. You gotta do what you say. I know she like me, wanna be wifey. Shorty was all on my page. Catching and making a place. Catching and making a place. Go make 100 a day. Only need one OBJ. Know that some homies I hate. Know that won't say to my face. Catching and making a place. Catching and making a place. I need my rest every day. Catching and making a place. Splashing and making them waves. Splashing and making them waves.
I can't help but fall in love with you. I can't help but love the way you move. I can't help but try to make you feel the way. Make you feel like you deserve to. Girl, I know your last man would desert you. You don't gotta worry, I won't hurt you, but it hurt to go without you every day and every night. When you're one call away from being right by my side. Now, girl, why don't you stay in me and you talk about it? I ain't ever gonna leave you in, don't you ever doubt it. Can you say what's on your mind? Sit down and let's talk. Take all the stress off that we get from every day. Trying to be good just like that we should, but it doesn't work anyway. One day let's go out, one day let's show out, so I can go back to my friends. Say that you're so great, only been on one day, but I hope that this never ends. Baby, I want you, do you want me? Say I love you, do you love me? I say I need you, do you need me like I need you? Baby, I want you, do you want me? Say I love you, do you love me? I say I need you, do you need me like I need you? Will you be mine? Give me all of your time. Baby, will you be mine? 'Cause I need you here. Will you be mine? Give me all of your time. Baby, will you be mine? 'Cause I need you here. Call me anytime, in the day or night, it doesn't matter to me. I'll be by your side no matter what the price. It could be anything. I don't know what to do when not around you. I need you here with me. Baby, can you come a little closer? Baby, you set off a tune up in my head. Every time you walk in the room, I drop dead. I cannot lie. I look to the sky and say, please, oh God, can you make her my wife? Something about you I cannot let go. I don't gotta tell you, you already know I'm obsessed with you, but there's nothing I can do. Guess that I gotta go on just like this. Girl, you're ballin' like Curry with the flick of the wrist. Watch it splash, watch it splash. Girl, I'll be with you till our final days. Now that's a long journey, I promise it pays. I know it pays. Baby, I want you, do you want me? Say I love you, do you love me? Say I need you, do you need me like I need you? Baby, I want you, do you want me? Say I love you, do you love me? Say I need you, do you need me like I need you? Will you be mine? Give me all of
driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you.
All right, guys, I am back. I hope you enjoyed watching my process of me using this beautiful palette. I am going to have a lot of fun with this thing. I didn't expect the center of my lid to look the way it did, but it's like kind of a welcome surprise because I like the way it turned out. It just looked different than I expected it to, but I really like it. These lashes are from my Lashy box, and they are by Flaunt Beauty, and the style is $0 Money Baby. And they are super funky and super wispy and go in all different directions, and I love them. I think they're awesome. The lip is Dolly Danger by Buxom, and then the lippy is by Beauty, and it is Ruby Bonbon. These are beautiful, and I have not used them in a long time. They feel just wonderful. They smell good, they taste good, and they're very opaque. So I love the mattes. The mattes were beautiful. They blended out beautifully. The one that I put in the center here was a little bit glittery and it fell out all over my face. I wasn't able to get it all off, so I just decided I'll just sparkle. I don't have a problem with sparkling, but just wanted to let you guys know that maybe I should have put that on with maybe a wet brush or with some glitter glue or something like that. But those are things that you find out along the way when you start diving into a palette. I'll figure it out. Alright guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you like the look. I think it's super pretty. But I appreciate it so much that you're here and hanging out with your girl for a little while. If you enjoyed your time here, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you won't miss any of my wonderful videos. But until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. And so I'm going to make a beautiful eye look. I'm going to make a beautiful...
Ryan Little.